Hello, everyone. I'm Pierre. I'm the CEO and co-founder of C12. We are building a quantum computer, and it's my first time at Slush. So I'm super excited because usually I present C12 to a quantum computing industry conference, and I think that it's great to let you know about this massive technological change that is coming with quantum computer. Quantum computer, they are not here to replace current compute technology. It's a new kind of compute infrastructure that will just open up a new world of possibilities. There were, back in the 60s, the microchip that clearly changed how we use compute. Then you had the mobile chip. Today we are experiencing also a novel compute infrastructure, massive change with AI and the GPUs. QPU is the next revolution in terms of compute infrastructure. And it can create up to $1 trillion of value. What it will be useful for? First, quantum will be used to simulate nature. So one is a major use case is how you can have much more accuracy in chemical simulation, but also in multi-physics simulation. So for people building aircraft, spacecraft, they need also very powerful tool to simulate what's going on. And also what we see is that quantum computer will be used to accelerate some workflow related to training in artificial intelligence. And that's also very exciting. Our vision at C12, our profound conviction, is that if we want to build quantum machine that works at scale and that can capture this $1 trillion market opportunity, we need to completely reimagine how they are built. And that's why we introduce compact, fault-tolerant quantum computer. So this is the product that we are building, and we are focusing on the hardware, the quantum processing units, with our specific spin qubit technology, and we have also a very strong team developing the software, the control software, the one that will enable to unlock all the different applications. And to do that, we have a very unique approach. We have a unique approach that works at scale. We brought to the field two big innovations. The first innovation was material science. What we think is that if we want to really build quantum computers that work at scale, we need also to have extremely stable qubits. And all of the errors, they come from defects in the material. So that's why we choose the purest material on Earth, carbon nanotubes, to build the qubits. And the second innovation is how we connect qubits together. And this is very, very important. Like all the other quantum computer architecture, they are very limited because qubit can only connect it to their neighbor. So they are only a pair-to-pair connection. And what we introduce is the quantum bus. So it enables long-range connection between qubits, and it can also create all-to-all connectivity zone up to 400 qubits. So this is the key to scale, and it scales in a very smart way. So the product that we are building is a compact quantum computer. And this is make a huge difference from other competitors that have a very brute force approach. They have also much more money. But the final product that they are creating is the size and the complexity of a particle accelerator. What we are building is a compact quantum computer, a one that can be shipped and delivered into data center. And this is very important, first because we don't think that there is a need only for 2, 3, or a few quantum computer, but really quantum computer needs to be in every kind of data center to bring more accuracy in chemical simulation or in AI workflow. But also what we think is that the true power of quantum computer is when it's integrated with a continuum of technology like GPU and CPU. So we really need to have like a compact quantum computer. So who is C12? We are a leader in spin qubit quantum computer. So in Europe, we are the spin qubit companies that who raise the most money. We are 5-year-olds, and our technology is coming from the École Normale Supérieure in Paris, which is a laboratory of physics of several Nobel Prizes. We have like 8 patents, and we are strong of 60 people with a strong focus today on R&D. And because of our incredible talented team, we were able to deliver world record in terms of quantum science. So both in the fidelity, so what I mentioned, our innovation, this is a material breakthrough. So we have the world record in terms of spin qubit current time. It's 10 times better to use carbon than pure silicon in a comparable environment. And we also have like, it's very new result from this summer. So we have demonstrated our quantum bus, and we have quality of this quantum bus and performance of this quantum bus that surpasses all the public benchmarks that we know. Also, something that is like very special about our company is that we build our own fab. So we can actually produce quantum chips directly from a silicon wafer in our own fab. So this is not in Taiwan, but this is in the heart of Paris, this picture. So we have the ability to iterate very, very fast. Because if we use outsourced fab, which we will do at the end, so our technology is built on a silicon stack, and it leverages all the expertise and the manufacturing process of the semiconductor industry. But on this phase, what is very important is to iterate very rapidly, and because we have our own in-house facility, we can do that. So we have also like a very like effective program called Callisto to work with industrial customers. So this year we will generate 5 million in revenues. What we are doing with them, and the current pain point is not about using hardware, is to understand how they will use quantum computer and what kind of use case they will be able to unlock with a quantum computer. And it's absolutely not trivial. For example, if we take like chemical simulation, we have been working with Air Liquide, which is a global chemical players, for 3 years now. And the simulation that was like relevant to compute on a quantum computer was only the transition states. And then the first state and the final state was actually not, a quantum computer was not needed. So it takes time to really understand how quantum computer will be integrated in like computational workflow. And we really have the methodologies and the expertise and the people to accompany big industrial client on this quantum journey. And what is also like very like important also to state is that we are extremely capital efficient. So, which is important because our competitors they have like also access to even larger amount of money. We will need this kind of money in the next years, but for the moment we have been able to show that we can like deliver world-class results, generate revenues, as being very capital efficient. So what's next? What's next? What is very like a key scientific milestone and technological milestone is how you can show that your quantum computer is able to correct errors. Because even if you have like super high quality qubits, you need to have on top a software layer that manage errors. So we will demonstrate this first logical qubits in the next year, generate first revenue from quantum hardware, and also continue our expansion. Thank you very much, and have a great day.